Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to see other viewers on Facebook Story iPhone. First of all, you need to open up your Facebook application. From here, go to menu. After that, you need to scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. From here, tap on settings. Once you are in settings, tap on the search icon in the top right corner. From here, tap on the search bar and search for Story Privacy. And after that, tap on this Story Privacy. And here, as you can see, there is an option that says control who can see your story. So right now it is set as public. So tap on public. After that, as you can see, there are multiple options you can choose from. Friends, friends accept, and specific friends. So here it usually set as friends. But for this option, we need to select public. And after that, tap on save. Then tap on save to confirm. And now your story privacy is set to public. But in order to see who viewed your story, you need to select specific friend from these options. After that, you will be redirected to this page. Here, you will get to see a list of your friends. You can tap on the search bar and search for specific friend. You can also choose one or more friends from the list. And once you are done, tap on this done. And as you can see, it is set. Now tap on save. After that, tap on save to confirm. And now, whenever your friends see your story, you will know exactly who viewed your story. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.